Panasonic's series of S lenses are about to see a welcome addition, the S 50mm f1.8. The perfect photography companion, this lens is the same size and filter thread as their 24mm f1.8, 35mm f1.8 and 85mm f1.8, also offering, of course, fantastic image quality. Inside are 9 elements, including 3 spherical elements, 1 ED lens and 1 UHR lens. All of these helped control distortion and chromatic aberration. We were shooting these images in pretty difficult lighting, and this is the only time I noticed any distracting aberration during edit, and it was pretty easily removed. I really liked the look from this lens. I wouldn't call it dreamy, I'd say that it almost had a sort of documentary style feel to it. That, however, doesn't really mean anything tangible, so let's move on. Inside are 9 diaphragm blades, and here you can see exactly how smooth the outer focus areas are. This quick 1.8 aperture makes shooting in difficult lighting easy, or even using it to be able to push your shutter speed in sort of medium light so that you can get shots of fast-paced subjects like I did here. I didn't tell him to run, there was a car coming. Shoot safely, guys. This 50mm uses a linear focus motor that can be controlled by the camera depending on your use. When shooting stills, you can set this to be non-linear, so the faster you rotate the manual focus ring, the faster your focus will change. During shooting video, this needs to be consistent, so you can set it to linear instead. You can also click Set to set the focus ring rotating angle too, so this lens is pretty great if you want to shoot video. Panasonic have also made sure to control the focus breathing, which you can see here, and they've brought in something called micro-step aperture adjustment. Normally, you would never use aperture to control your exposure during a video clip, as the stops of exposure that you change are far too obvious and distracting. Micro-step adjustment, however, smooths out these steps. We still wouldn't recommend using it all the time, but in an exposure emergency, it can certainly work. The lens weighs just 300 grams, and it's got an uncomplicated design with a simple AF/MF switch, a lockable lens hood, which is great because I am always losing mine, and is dust, moisture and freeze resistant to -10 degrees Celsius. If you'd like to find out more about the new Panasonic LUMIX S 50mm f1.8, then leave a comment here and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. You can also visit our store page, which not only has loads of great info, but you can also place a pre-order if this has tickled your fancy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you join us again soon for some more videos from Wex Photo Video.